everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. First of all, please ignore my complete and utter mess of a set of nails. They are probably the worst shaped nails I've ever done. They're very lumpy and bumpy and they're just awful. I've had a complete disaster of them, so just pretend you can't see them. But today I have got a PR package from Rosalind. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not 100% sure. But I've got some glitter gel pots to show you today. I'm very excited about them. I've not actually tried any products from them before, I don't think I have anything here from them, so I'm very excited to try them out today and see what they are like. They're really affordable products and I know they sell quite a good range of different bits and bobs like nail art wise. So yeah, I'm very excited to check these out today. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be swatching them all and then I might do a little design with them as well. I'm really happy actually. I'm back at my desk. I haven't filmed an audio video at my desk in months now. I have been bodging myself up in really silly places trying to film. It's been an utter nightmare, but I've moved my desk into a new room and yeah, I'm very happy to be sat at my desk filming. So yeah, I'm going to stop waffling at you. I'm going to dive into a video. I'm going to show you these products. I really hope you all enjoy. If you do, please remember to like and subscribe, and other than that, let's get started. So this is the kit I'm going to be reviewing today. These are called the Rosalind Shiny Diamond Gel Kit. They come as a 6-piece set for only £8.8p, which is super affordable. They come in very cute little pots like this. They are 5mm in size. The packaging has a diamond on the front of it like so. These can be cured under both UV and LED lamps. On the bottom you have simply just got the product code. I will pop an image up on the screen now of the 6 colours that are in this collection so you guys can see. They look really pretty and I'm very excited to swatch them. On the advertisement it does state that these are very long lasting and they're also healthy and eco-friendly. So I think they're made of all natural ingredients, which is really nice. One thing I do really appreciate about this company is the fact that they have been transparent, and it does actually show on the listing that even though the pot is this size, realistically it only comes to about here, which is quite a common thing with pots this size, but I've never seen a company be honest about it before, so I really appreciate the fact that they have been completely and utterly honest about the size of the pots, what to expect. They do come with a nice cover. On the inside you have got an aluminium foil film to keep it nice and sealed. You also get these little cardboard things as well to sort of keep it nice and safe, and the actual tub itself is made out of acrylic plastic. So let's dive into these pots and get swatching them. So I just like to use a little bit of scissor around like that. I never open these pots up fully just because I like to have that protective film there, just so I can put it back over once I am finished. But look, there's that much volume, my camera's struggling to focus, but look how beautiful that looks. So with gel paints like this, I do like to use a square-headed UV gel brush. I just like to scoop up some products like so, and it's just really nice brush for applying these sort of gels with. As you can kind of see there, it's got a really lovely loose consistency. It's kind of like a consistency of a good top coat really. It's not too thick, which I prefer. Like, I can work perfectly fine with thick gels, but I do quite like these sort of ones. I do prefer these sort of ones. I just feel like they're easier to spread and get like a nice even coat. So I'm going to proper pack this on here because I want you guys to be able to see the true beautifulness of these gels. We've got a mixture in here. We've got fine glitters, we've got like large hexagons, we've got the smaller hexagons, like it's a little multi-mix of glitter. But as you can see, I'm having absolutely no issue moving it around at all. Because it's got like quite a nice funny consistency, it's very self-leveling. It's just kind of, yeah, literally just self-leveling itself, splodging out a bit, creating a nice even coat, so it's not going to be all lumpy and bumpy. And I'm just going to whack that underneath my lamp for 60 seconds and cure it, and then I will show you. See, another thing I really like actually is how compact the packaging is. It's really simplistic. It's not going to get damaged, but it's not like a waste of packaging at all, which I really like, because some companies, they'll send you this massive box with just these little things rattling around inside of it. It's a waste. But no, Rosalind have kept it very nice and simple, and yeah, it's a really cute little package. I like it. So there we go, this is what this one looks like. Very blue, very holographic, great coverage. It looks beautiful. I love it a lot. Let's try another one. Okay, so next up we have a really nice gold one. Again, it's a multi-mix. It's got the same cuts as the previous ones. We've got large hexes, smaller hexes, and a nice fine glitter in there. It is really, really, really nice to work with, actually. The £8 for the set of 6, I think, I'm not very good at mouse, but I think that's about £1.50 a tub, which is super, super, super affordable realistically. You should get a 5ml product. So yeah, that's a very, very, very good price for what it is actually. I'm not sure if I have a discount code, but if I do, I will pop it into my description box. But regardless, like, these are so affordable anyway, like really, really, really affordable. I'll tell you what, they're actually so nice to work with. They're just moving around so easy. So, so, so easy. And obviously you can use it as sparsely as you want, or you can probably go in like I have and just give it your all. Like, you don't have to be so like full on with the glitter. You can literally just get a little bit and just spread it out real nice if you just want a little bit of coverage with the glitter. But yeah, look how beautiful it is. Okay, I am very excited about this one. This is like, looks like it's black, but it's also got some kind of brown tones to it. I can't quite tell if it is black or whether it is just a really, really, really dark brown. You sort of, can you see there? It's got like this sort of browny gold shifts to it. But it is really nice actually, really, really, really nice. I might attempt to do a set of Halloween nails after this. Just a quick little set just to show using these glitters. We'll create a cute little Halloween thing. Not too sure what. So one of my bad faults is not really thinking about what I'm doing. I just sit down and film, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I'll do a set of nails. And when it comes to it, I'm like, what do I do? But I've really not done a lot of nail art lately. I really haven't had the chance. I'm currently doing my driving lessons. I've got my driving test booked for the end of next month. Really hoping I pass, because I've had a car since last November, which I barely drove because it was petrol and I didn't get on with it. So I've gone and bought myself a diesel car. Got a Peugeot 306, which was my dream first car. I know that sounds silly, but that's what I've driven previously, and that's what I got used to, and that's what I wanted my first car to be. One popped up on Facebook, really, really, really cheap. It did need some work doing to it, but luckily we know a good mechanic. So it's all fixed up, and I've been driving around loads. Every spare moment I get, I've been out driving. I've got my driving instructor teaching me. But yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, by the end of next month, hopefully I'll pass my test and be legally driving on the road, which I can't wait for. Because where I live, it's just, we're in the middle of nowhere. There's lots of back roads around. Nothing's really within walking distance. And it's crap having to rely on listening with people all the time, especially when you have got your own car and have had your own car for the last year, just sat outside doing nothing. I planned on getting on the road a lot sooner, but I'd done my theory test at the start. Well, I booked it for January last year, and then we went into another lockdown. So I had to rebook it, and I ended up rebooking it twice, and then it was the third time that I actually managed to go and do it. I passed with no issues whatsoever, so I got that done. Tried to look for an instructor, so I wanted to do an intensive driving course, which is where you do it in the space of a couple of weeks and then go for your test. But there was no availability, there was no tests available, and yeah, I've been trying for months now, and I finally got an instructor. I finally got a test booked. I did book it for January, and then she took me for my first lesson with her, and she's like, actually, if you could book it for end of November, start of December, do it. She reckons I'll be ready by then, which is really, 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 really exciting, and it's great news. So I can't wait to be cruising around in my car. I've got a subwoofer installed in there. I love my music. I'm a drum and bass girl. I love my drum and bass. I like my dub reggae and stuff like that. So I can't wait to be cruising around in my car with my tunes and just seeing the world. I'm very, very, very excited. But that's what I've been doing a lot, is practicing. There's that gold. Isn't that beautiful? We've also got our big project going on, which we've been doing it for months now. We're slowly making progress bit by bit, but we've come to a big halt at the minute because the weather's turned to rubbish, and also one of the main parts of this project has broken and we're in the process of getting it fixed. So some of you girls know exactly what I'm talking about. I've sort of been trying not to say too much because I want to do a big series on it on my channel. I'm very excited about it, and I'm sort of going to leave it a surprise until the first video is up. I don't know when that video is going to be up. It was meant to be up months ago. We was hoping to make a lot more progress by now, but things never go smooth. As you can see there, that is a silver. Look how holographic it is. I love it. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a bit of an update, as I haven't been around as much as what I normally have been over the last few years. We're very busy, we've got a lot going on. My boy started school. I think he's on his 3rd week now at school, going from nursery to school. He's absolutely loving it. He loves going, and it's been great for me because it's freed up a lot more time, so I get a chance throughout the day to do filming and stuff. Because to be honest, by the time evening rolls by, I've been so tired. The last thing I want to do is sit down and film a video. I love filming, but sometimes just too tired to do it. So it's been really nice actually. I've got a bit more free time to myself, but like I said, like a lot of that is spent driving, a lot of it's spent on our project, and yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a life update. It's been very stressful, like really stressful, but we are getting there, and it's all for good reasons. And yeah, life's definitely a bit up and down at the minute, but it's good. But yeah, that's just what's going on at the moment. And that's the last one swatched. We've got a lovely sort of rose pinky gold colour there. My camera really doesn't want to focus today, does it? It's too much hollow. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I love these. Okay, so here we go. This is swatches of all 6 colours. I can't even tell you which one's my favourite. I really can't. They are all so nice, and I tell you what, they are really, really, really lovely to work with. And I tell you what, I love the fact that they are so self-leveling as well. Like, you can kind of see that. I have put a layer of top coat over them, but like a really, really thin layer. And yeah, they're literally so, like, I didn't need no filing whatsoever. They're really self-leveling. They're just really pleasurable to work with. I really, really, really do like them. I think they're a fantastic range of colours as well, and for the price, like, you really cannot complain. So yeah, I absolutely love these. What I'm going to do now is I am going to try and create a set with them. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I would quite like to use every single one of these somehow. So yeah, I'm not too sure what sort of design I'm going to do, but yeah, I'm just going to stick some music on. I'm going to create something. I'm just going to wing it along my way, see what happens. But yeah, I'll be back at the end with my very, very final thoughts. But yeah, enjoy. So hi everyone, I just wanted to quickly stop and just talk to you a little bit more about this gel. So as you would have watched there, I applied this, all 6 colours are on there, and I think they've blended together pretty well with bare minimum effort. But the one thing I wanted to point out is with this, you don't need to encapsulate it. As you can see, it's all very smooth. Like, obviously it's not perfect, but it is pretty smooth. There's no like lumps of glitter or anything sticking out. I don't feel like you need to encapsulate that. You could literally just buff that down and put a top coat over it. Another thing as well is it dries virtually non-wipe. It has got a slight bit of tackiness. I've cured that for 2 minutes just because I've like put quite a thick chunk on there. I cured it for 2 minutes. Next is literally got the slight bit of tackiness. Sorry about the hand, this is the first time I'm using a silicone hand, I'm getting used to it. But yeah, it's virtually non-wipe, and I literally just buff it off, give it a top coat. Perfect. So yeah, there's no need to encapsulate this stuff at all. But yeah, back to the video. Okay, so there we go. It's really not the best of design. I ended up changing this nail because it just didn't flow with the rest of the nails. It's not a great design. I literally haven't done no nail art in ages. I'm also working on a new silicone hand, which I'm finding a bit of a struggle. But anyway, regardless of the crappy design, you know, this is about the glitter gels, and I give them a massive thumbs up. I do generally really like these. They are really nice to work with, and I think they look absolutely beautiful. And I really cannot say a bad word about them at all, actually. They're really good. And I think for the price, like, they're just so worth getting. They really are so worth getting. I'm really happy with them. Yeah. Huge thumbs up for me. So yeah, I do apologise about the rubbish design, but it is what it is. I need to get some practice in. I feel like I've lost my touch. And yeah, it kind of sucks a bit, but it is what it is. It's been a while for me, but yeah, I'm really happy with the glitters anyway. I really hope you have all enjoyed the video. I will leave a link to the diamond gels down in my description box if you'd like to check them out for yourselves. I'll also pin them in the comment section. I definitely highly would recommend them. They're just so pleasurable to work with. Anyways, I'm going to love you and leave you. I really hope you have enjoyed. If you have, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much to James from Rosalind for sending these to me. I really love them. So thank you so much. And yeah, other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day, whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.